Hello everyone, my name is Noy Matiaras. I am TGT Social Science at Kendra Vidyalaya in file number 2. So today I am going to teach a topic from the class 7 Geography chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Inside Our Art. So let's start the chapter. So first we are going to start with the interior of the art. Okay, so this interior of the art we have a 3-layer. Okay, first read this topic, then after that I will explain from this picture. The art is made up of the several concentric layers with one inside another, and they are crust, mantle, and a core. Okay, there will be 3 layers. As per your standard, there are only 3 layers. Okay, they are mentioning 3 layers, and this 3 layer, okay, there is one after the another. Okay, one over the another. Then the outermost layer, this one, okay, this thick red line, it's the crust. Okay, this is the crust. Then the yellow one from here to here. Okay, that is from here to here. This one is the mantle, that is the second one. Okay, this is the second one, and only that outline, that is this thick red line, it's the crust. And here we have a 2 layer from inside this yellow white one to the light yellow. Okay, this 2 layer is the core. Okay, the third one. Okay, this is the core. So these 3 layer make the this interior of the art. Now let's see this 3 layer one. Now let's start with the first layer of this interior of the art, that is the crust. Okay, we will start with the crust. The first point of the crust, the outermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. So it is an important one, this one. That is a crust is the outermost layer. Yeah, it is the outermost layer. Then it is the thinness of all the layer. Okay, it is the thinness of all the dead 3 layer, the crust, mantle, and the core. It is going to be the thinness. Then the third point, it is about 35 km on the continental Mars and only 5 km on the ocean floors. That means it is a 35 km in the land mass area, but only 5 km in the ocean area. Then the main mineral constitute of the continental Marses are the silica and the alumina, and it is called the cell, that is SiAl. Okay, the silica and alumina, it will be the main constitute in the continental, that means in the land area. The oceanic crust mainly consists of the silica and the magnesium, and it is therefore called the SiMa. Si for the silica and Ma for the magnesium. Okay, so the main constituent of this crust in the continental area and in the oceanic area are different. Okay, it is going to be made up by the different mineral. Okay, we can say as a different mineral, that is it going to be made by the silica and the magnesium, okay, in the ocean area, and the silica and alumina in the continental area, that means in the land area. Okay, so it called as a SiMa in the oceanic area. Okay, that we call as the oceanic crust, and the shell in this continental Mars area. Okay, and this crust is the only this red line area. Okay, only this one, this thick red line area. Okay, only this one. This is the part of the crust. So here we finish the part of the crust. Now let's come to the second one, the second layer, that is the mantle. So just beneath the crust is mantle, which extend up to the depth of 2,900 km below the crust. Okay, so mantle is about 2,900 km deep, started from here, and it is just below the crust. Okay, after the crust we are going to have this yellow area. Okay, this area, this part, it is the mantle, and the depth of this mantle part is the 2,900 km. Okay, here it is also written here 2,900 km. Now let's come to the innermost layer, that is the core. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3,500 km. Okay, from here it is going to be start from here up to this innermost, that is almost the center of the earth. Okay, and it is 3,500 kilometer. Okay, and it is mainly made up of the nickel and iron, and it's called the Nifi. Okay, it is mainly made up of the nickel and iron. That's why it is called a Nifi. Ni for the nickel, Fe for the ferrous. That is the iron. The central core has a very high temperature and a pressure. So in this center area, okay, this center area, they have the very high temperature as well as the high pressure. So here we finish that these three in the internal layer of the earth. So some important points. We human, okay, we did not go to the up to the dead center of the earth. Okay, we only just went to the around 6 kilometer or maybe little more than that. Okay, so here one point is that the South Africa, it is about 4 kilometer deep. In the search for the oil engineer, search for oil engineer have done a hole about 6 kilometer deep. The crust form only a 1%. Okay, the crust form the crust only form the what, that is the outermost layer of the earth. Okay, this lithosphere, that is the 1% of the volume of the earth, and 85% of the consists of the metal, and 15% make the core. Okay, so only 1%, crust is only 1%, metal is 84%, and the core is 15%. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometer. This is the radius. Okay, I think you know what is the radius. That is, suppose this is a circle, and this is the center of the circle. From center to the that outer line, that is called, this is the radius. Okay, so the radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometer. So here we finish the part 1. Thank you everyone, and see you in the second part.